Hi, this is Manraj and I'm Disha and we're from Calcutta, interning in the Garden City of India.
Both of us love food, so we wanted to take you through our journey here in Bangalore as two food lovers. As interns, working in a different city away from home is quite a challenge.
Our first weekend here, we went out clubbing and blew all our money only to realize later that we were broke already and we had to survive on carrots and cucumber.
So, a piece of advice, starve through the week and go out on weekends.
Do not try that.
No. What we mean to say is that it's always good to have a budget plan and to stick to it. I know it's not possible most of the time,
That's
but
the struggle.
yeah.
But it was hard, but we got used to it. So initially when we got to Bangalore, we did not think about budgeting at all and we were like, we have to try the most happening places in Bangalore.
Yeah, we actually had a list prepared even before we got to Bangalore, so which included a couple of really cool places. There was Pros, there was Buck Buck Bar, there was Socials, there's Toit, which we still haven't been to, but there's also
Fatty
Fatty
Bao.
Bao. Yeah, so Fatty Bao is this amazing Asian cuisine. I don't know if a lot of people have been there. Even people like there's been some people who we know from Bangalore who haven't been there. It's been amazing. Their food is really good. It's Asian cuisine and it has it's a little expensive, so make sure you're good with money before you go there. But I have to try it out.
Also Pros, they have like
Yeah.
flavored beers. Every time you go, you need to ask for the special beer. And the food, chicken wings, a must try.
Awesome chicken wings.
So another must try place would be Socials. That is the place to be.
Yeah.
I personally really liked it. The food is to die for. Chicken wings, calamari, the China box, and what else did we have? We had a lot of food.
There was they have nice drinks too. Sangria is pretty good.
The LIT,
Yeah.
it is really good.
Yeah, they give towers, so for people who love alcohol, that's really cool. I also went to Buck Buck Bar. It's like we went to the one which is near Sony World. Has amazing drinks. So they have this whole presentation thing going on. There's Heisenberg, there's Voldemort, so all the geeky little drinks, and they have they present it really well. So they give it in like test tubes and they mix it in front of you. So all that is really cool. Their food is really good too. We had chocolate ganache, amazing. There was also their Thai salad. It's vegetarian and we both are hardcore non-vegetarians, but
No
then it
offense.
was really good, really good. We all have days where we just do not want to get out of the house and go to a restaurant and still want to have good food. Yeah. So for days like that, Bangalore has been really cool. It has apps and online websites where you just go and it's kind of like online shopping. You put whatever you want to eat to your cart and it comes to your doorstep.
Calcutta should definitely get something of
Definitely,
this sort
yeah.
for food lovers like us.
So there's a
There
couple
are,
of sites.
yeah, there is Fasus, there's Swiggy, there's Drop Cafe, there's Fresh Menu, but our favorite definitely has to be Swiggy.
Yeah, because what Swiggy does is it's got a list of restaurants, so there's a lot more options. But at the same time, have to say, Fresh Menu Drop Cafe has never failed to impress us.
Quality food.
Yeah,
At
amazing.
affordable prices.
Exactly. So for people who are lazy sometimes like us, that's what you have to do.
Go for it. Living on your own and on a budget is not easy, so we went for a hunt for cheap food.
Yeah.
And my favorite definitely would be South Indian because it's cheap and healthy. Whereas this woman,
I hate South Indian food. Actually, I did hate South Indian food before getting to Bangalore, but then I've grown a liking for Ras and Chawal. Will never like dosas, will never like idlis, but have to say Ras and Chawal is pretty good. So you get Ras and Chawal for 30 bucks most places, which is really cheap, and it's good for you, so that's always a plus. And that also means you have money left for other stuff, which is awesome.
so this has to be the best part of our entire food journey here in Bangalore. It is our all-time favorite places. Mine would be Fat Fanny's. It is located in Kormangala 4th block and it has the best food. You can go there for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and they serve you all the time.
Yeah.
With awesome food.
Yeah, and it's pretty, although it's not the healthiest option, but it's amazing food, amazing. Other than that, I personally love Onesta. It's my favorite cuisine, Italian. Stepping into it, I thought there's no pasta. I was skeptical how it's gonna be, but then the pizzas are so good. You get choice of crust. It's thin crust, pan, whatever. and the drinks they have this thing called cold black coffee, which is so good. I mean, it's not for everybody, but
Yeah, I don't like black coffee,
Yeah.
but then that was really nice.
Really
Worth
good.
a try.
So yeah, Onesta and Fat Fanny's, awesome.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
So this was our overall food experience in Bangalore. Unfortunately, we just had 2 months, not a very long time to
Yeah.
discover this awesome city. But it was great. The variety of food, the quality of food, it was awesome.
Yeah, definitely was. We are definitely not disappointed. We went. The comparison actually is really interesting. There's a lot more variety here. It might get a little expensive sometimes, but definitely worth the food that they serve. And yeah, we're really happy, and we love Bangalore.
Hope to see you soon.